Hi guys! So this is my baby sister. So, yan guys, ay magbablog po kami. So yan guys, she's not interested. She's angry. Let's make him happy and welcome to Irish Vlogs. So this is our toy. This what we buy in school, and she's so funny. And this is a squishy we buy in the iMart. Ito po yung this is play money, like a fake money, and a cinnamon roll toy. She's buy in McDonald's, and we're gonna see a wonderful thing. This is our house, our kitchen, our CR, our ref, and the TV, my family gun, and our stairs go up. Here is our second floor. We have no third floor. And this is our room. This is the bed. This is the aircon. And this is a Wi-Fi. This is our stuff. This is our laundry. Let's go back now. Let's play with my sister. Guys, can you please reach 1 likes and 2 likes, 3 likes for support me, guys? Please. My likes is serious only, so like now and like my house. Playing with sister. His toy. Ito guys. Hiya, daddy. Chiki-chiki-te. Chuku-chuku-che. Chuku-chuku-che. So guys, we're playing. And here we're playing now. Dan-dan-dan-dan-dan. Skateboard. 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 So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.